Hi guys, thanks for clicking on my video for installing Power BI. It's a really quick process and definitely worthwhile if you're looking to get into data analytics and visuals and things like that. You don't have to pay anything. This version of Power BI is free and goes straight on your desktop. The only prerequisites requirements are that you have a desktop, a laptop with Windows, an internet connection and a bit of storage spare for the download. Right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go into our search engine and type Power Platform into the browser. So just click here, or type powerbi.microsoft.com, that'll be easier. So when this loads in, you should see this screen. What we want to do is we want to click Products, Power BI Desktop, and this screen should load in. We've got two options here. We can either click this download free button, this will bring up the Microsoft Shop or the installer, or we can click C download or language options. In this tutorial I'm just going to click C download or language options. So it'll load this screen up. You can select your language from here, whatever you would choose, and then you can click download. You can also check the file details here. See what kind of size it is, when it was published, what version you're downloading, and which bit. And you can also see the system requirements to see if your system supports the download. I'm going to be going on a 64-bit platform, so I'm just going to click download. I'm going to click PBI desktop setup underscore x64, click download, and just wait for it to download. And once it's downloaded, which it should just take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. So once it's downloaded, you should see it in your download history. Just click here, or in your file explorer you can click it and open it from there. And then you should be greeted with this window. Select the language that you want to choose. I'm going to choose English. Click next. Click all of the pop-ups, click yes, and just wait for it to load. Next, and accept the terms and license agreement. You can read through them if you want. Click next again, and then you want to choose your destination folder. For me, I'm just going to keep it where it is here. So I'm just going to click next. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut so I can easily access it from my desktop. Click install, and then just let it fully install. This might take a few moments. And once the installation is complete, just click finish and keep this ticked so it launches straight away. And once it opens, you should be greeted with this screen. You don't need to buy a license or anything, you can just cross that down, and there you have it. You have Power BI on your desktop. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and hopefully I should get some new content out soon. Thanks guys.